Hello traders, we are in live trading with new scalper lock trader. This is gold trading, my favorite asset. You see trailing stop is here, break even, and now we only are waiting how much we can make here. If it comes here, we'll make 2,600. We are now in 1,000. Also, I think Bitcoin is here, was make money before. So this is how it works. You see many trades because we are on 1 minute. Also what we have here, this is Turbo Plus. You see alert signal, main signal, alert signal, main signal, and this is the statistic on 4 hour. This is Omega Turbo Trader in live trade. Here he took a trade. Here we see, I must only explain one thing, and this is why, guys, I am making video to explain everything. One of my subscribers has bought this system, but he bought only Expert Advisor. Expert Advisor is only Expert Advisor without the indicators. So if you want only Expert Advisor, and he bought only Expert Advisor, you see, this is it. And then he asked me, where are the arrows? I explained at least in every video, so in 10 videos, that this is Expert Advisor robot. It doesn't need any arrows. Everything is included in software. But if you want both, then you must have also indicators. You must buy indicators. So this is here too. Indicator system and plus Expert Advisor. So if you don't want to trade manually with indicators, then you have also Expert Advisor, which will do it all automatically. So this is just explanation. That's why I make video, and every time I am following, telling the same, but that's why watch the video. At least 2-3 videos about each system. It is in your interest to find out how something is working. Yeah? This is what I'm showing today, super trend strategy in live trading. You see what is the profit. We had promo pre-order offer. Now it is over, 30 minutes ago. I must say that, first of all, thanks to all of you which have bought it. You will make money, I guarantee. Follow the rules and be patient. Use higher time frame. For all others that missed this pre-order, maybe you will be sorry that you haven't got this for 49 or 59 euros only was this super trend strategy. And it is fantastic trend strategy, I must say. I guarantee that everybody that will use it, following the rules, you can make money. You see here. But you can always buy it at a regular price. This is not on my webpage, so you will see it only here, and it will be here maybe next 7 days, and then it will be removed forever. So if you want it next 7 days at a regular price, promo pre-order is over. For 50 euro you could get it, but now it is too late. I will not wait anyone. It is 2 days here at pre-order price with 4 or 5 videos showing everything that it can make. This is Breakout Plus, a robot, automated version. It opened the trade here. Also here what we have, also automated version of Breakout Plus made a trade. Also we have, I think, maybe I didn't show it here. This is a manual system, so you can trade manually here on, let's, like here, you will take trade here or here. Let's put it here. It take a trade now, but we'll go to so this is the version not automated, this is a manual system. You see here there is no breaking of the box. You can trade on 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. I explain in many videos how to use it. You see here is the breakout here. You can just load any you want. New Zealand JPY. You see the breakout, You can use it manually. This is breakout box for manual trading, but also you have, as I said, automated version. This is USD JPY, and it is breaking out now, so we could enter the trade now. We wait the open of the new candle. We have confirmation 60 or higher. It breaks these blue lines, box range, and we prepare. So good that we are here. We'll put on, I don't know, 5 pips, 3, 4, 2, 1, and we'll make a trade. So stop loss here on this line, 1 pip below, and about the same take profit. So very simple to use. This is manual version, but of course you can use automated version that I showed in the beginning of video, so you don't have to wait for this breakout. Robot will take the trades itself. So many products here. This is sorry guys, my cat is coming here. So in this video I will not give you any promise. I'm open for you if you like any product from here. We have one good here. This is, as I said many times in last months, and this is a new version, X3, the best manual indicator system, which is using future MACD. Future MACD means future price prediction, predicting the future. I mean, predicting the future movements. So, one example here. We get a signal here. This is not repainted arrow, you see. We have this green, and the final confirmation would be put the line here. So this is new version predicting 30 candles in future. So in this moment here we would see this in future, and this is doing what? Going over the zero and up. We enter the trade, and I should open it before I open it here, but you see the prediction was okay. So this is latest version FX Scalper using MACD future prediction of the price. So as I started to explain, if you need any 1, 2, 3 products, contact me. If you're my subscriber, if you're my previous customer, and if you want to buy 2 products, 3 or more, just contact me. I will give you a special price. So I cannot non-stop here put some products of my own interest or what I mean that is better. Now you can choose anything from my web, from my YouTube. Ask me, contact me, and I will try to give you the best. But the condition is you have to choose any 2 indicators, expert advisors, strategies, softwares, anything. You see here how good trade it would be, but for the mistake I put only 0.01 lot size, so I will change it later. It should be 1, and now we'll be having here I don't know, $10,000 profit, but it is not important, just you to see why we have taken this trade. Also again here we have this. I was late, I took it here, but we see that the price is going up. We have taken it and it goes up. So easy to use. This is gold again, silver. You see silver, if we have been taken it here, it was under the line 0, but we have arrow, green line, and future prediction is showing that it will go up from here to here. So you just put this line here, and 30 candles, it is showing moving up, and it was correct, very accurate prediction. Yeah, or here when we get signal we will put it down, next 30 candles it is going up, down. A red arrow, not repainted, FX Scalper, a red line for trend, and final it is showing predicting of I was here too late, but if I was here, you see, I would put this here, and next 30 candles it is going up. We would make a lot of money here. You see now what is predicting at this moment, still predicting movement up. You see, from now it shows very high going up in next 30 candles. So even now if we take it, it would be a good movement. So I will take it. Just for the purpose of video, I will show you maybe in 6 hours or 10 hours the result. I will put, I don't know, here, and this here. So anything you like you can buy. This is Trendy Trader. Also indicators and expert advisors.